Molly, are you eating an orange?
Would you like to give that to Mom? I'll give you a new one. Thank you.
You eating an orange? Yeah. Is that good?
Yummy.
Yeah. Say hi, Lana.
Hi. Early morning, Lana.
Say hi. Molly, say hi to Grandma and Grandpa.
Say hi. Can you wave?
Say wave.
Hi.
How big is Molly? I'm eating an orange.